down.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Your favorite doll collector, Callie Storm Doll, is here, and I have the beautiful RAE SANDS and SPF QT. Yes, I want to give a shout out to iHeart Reviewing Style. Thank you so much for sending me the link to the original RAE. I did pick her up from Amazon.com. This is the LOL Surprise Tweens Babysitting Party Pack. This is currently going for $29.99. Not only do you get Miss RAE, you get her little sister, and you get a complete setup of a beach vacation. So these girls are living large and taking charge. And as you can see on the back of the packaging, you can also get Ivy Winks and Baby Doll. So if you guys are not a fan of Miss RAE SANDS, you can get Ivy Winks. So on the back of the packaging, it does come with a cute read up. I'm in between. Be ready to take charge. It'll be a babysitting party when you're hanging out with me. So you guys know I've been waiting for her, so I'm just gonna get her out of the packaging and we're coming right back. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So we're looking at the back of the packaging right now. So you can see it looks like the girls are at it looks like a carnival that's along the beach. You can see the surfboards, you can see the rocker band poster at the bottom, the beach chair, the little stand where they would be. This is cute. I just wanted to show you guys the back of the packaging so we can get a little insight into who these girls are, and they definitely look like they're the beach girls. Who riding that motorcycle? Hey, oh no, that's a bike. Okay. Hey everybody, we are back. So we're gonna look over RAE SANDS and all her accessories, including her sister. Her sister is an accessory to me because I did purchase this pack for RAE. So let's look over her little sister. This is SPF QT, and this is the outfit she comes from. I used to collect the tots a lot, but I don't collect them as much. But looking her over, she is adorable. I love the cut in her hair. I love her little bow hairstyle. ABCD shirt. Her skirt is cute, and so are her shoes. This little checkerboard blanket, which is cute, is very tiny. So she does come with this bathing suit, which is so cute. I love how everything is one piece, and you just would gather her in it in the back. She also comes with the same glasses as her sister, but hers are sunglasses. Hers are a lot smaller, so they will fit her face better. So also included in this set is a camera, and as you can see, it looks like RAE SANDS has taken a picture of her little sister, and it is a Polaroid camera. I do think, oh, excuse my nails, by the way. Sorry guys, I'm in the process of taking this polish off. But I do love how she did take a picture, and I love the colors on this camera. They're really pretty. Also have the larger glasses for RAE SANDS, and they look cute. They're a little bit more detailed than her little sisters. RAE also comes with this hair comb. This one I really love. So they come with this little cool radio. You can see it has a compartment for batteries. You can see it has a little heart on it, some turners. I really love this because it's kind of nostalgic. Like when you go to the beach, you carry your little radio so you can listen to all your tunes. So they also come with some Beach BB SPF 30 sunscreen, which is always important. I do think this is cutely painted, and it's adorable. This is the towel that comes with RAE SANDS. It is a lot larger than her sister's, but it's not like the same height as her. So to me, it is still a little bit small, but I love the colors on it, and it does complement their outfits. Real scrunchy hair tie. I'm gonna try this on her because me myself, I love a hair tie, and this is like so cute. This is so adorable to me. I love this, and I love the black and yellow in it. Now, if you're going to spend a day at the beach, you have to have beverages, and these girls have plenty. So we have the pop. This is for her little sister. Of course, they all come with their little sippy cups. And then we have the soda pop, which we can assume is for both of them, or maybe RAE. I love how it comes with, oh my god, I don't know if my camera's going to pick it up, but it comes with some facts on the back, and they're real facts. Like, it says serving one, I think it says sweet. Is that what it says? Sweet 3000 total 07. I think that's what it says. But that is so cute, and clearly it's supposed to be like some type of soda drink. And then we have the cute delectable drink right here. So it looks like a swirl. Maybe this is like a pineapple smoothie of some sort, but it definitely looks like the girl's gonna have a good time with this. I want some. So Rae does come with the phone, and it looks like she's having a conversation with Cherry BB. So Cherry basically is inviting her out. She said, let's hang out. Yes, next week. She says, perfect. I found a new vintage shop you will like. And then it's a whole bunch of emojis. So I love that these girls shop at the thrift store. You know, there's nothing wrong with a vintage shop. This is the back of her phone. You can see it got a little melted in packaging, but there it is. I like how it's a lightning bolt on the back. Yes, Callie Storm doll, come through. But this is so cute, and I love that she's talking with Cherry BB. Of course, RAE SANDS and SPF come with a composition book, and when you open it up, you can get a little bit of detail. It says Beach Day Checklist. Sing along to our fave tunes. So what's their favorite song? You know what I think it is? Swerve by Callie Storm dolls. They also have their sunscreen and sunshine vibes. So these girls are ready to party. Yes. And lastly, before we get into the doll, they come with this BB Cool. And this is cool because it's not a sticker. It's actually raised. So for those of you wondering, they took the time to paint that. They gave detailing all over the top. It comes with a motion handle. The bottom has detail, but it's all yellow. And then you can open it up, and it's a decent size. So let's see how many of their accessories. We talked about everything before we get into RAE. Let's see how much we can actually fit in this cooler. But that's a lot. So we did fit a lot of items in there. So this is cool storage, and you can also pretend that RAE SANDS is carrying it to the beach. All right, so now we're gonna look at the original Sands, and this is the RAE SANDS doll, and I'm so happy to have her. She is so cute. I love a cute beach themed doll. I don't know, it's kind of like water themed dolls are my weakness, and I had to get RAE SANDS. She is so adorable. She gives me that comfortable beach girl. Her hair is a little messy straight up the packaging, but let's just look her over. Starting with her hair. Now the cool thing about RAE SANDS, shout out to iHeart Reviewing Stuff, she does have a glow in the dark feature. She can put her in water, and her hair actually will get pink streaks in the front. And you can also stick her, I believe, in the freezer or the sunlight, one of those, and you can get a whole new bathing suit themed look on her body. So I love that as well. Those are things I may not do in the video, but I do want you guys to know about it as well. So when you get her straight out the packaging, her hair is soft, but you can tell it's material in it to kind of give it that crinkle beach theme. So she has like white hair, then she has these deep yellow highlights leading to the front. She does have a cloth headband, and it is velcroed. So for those of you who are wondering how did they get that on, you can see that she is velcroed in the back. She is wearing spiked earrings, and when we go to the front of this adorable face, you can see that she does have eye makeup on. Her eyes are blue. She has a little bit of freckles, thicker eyebrows, and a soft pink lip. So she's definitely adorable, and she's ready for the beach. And when we go down some, we can see that she does have on a necklace. This necklace is basically a replica of her anklet, which I'm so happy she has. I love anklets. Her shirt is the Supersonics, and I have the whole Supersonic set, so she's clearly a fan. And her shirt does velcro in the back, so does her shorts. Now the interesting thing about the shorts is you can see they're kind of low rise, and they have this chain going around. It isn't a complete chain. The chain does go around, but as you can see in the back, it's connected to the pants. So the chain isn't a separate piece within itself. Now when we go down to the shorts, you can see the threading is loose. Now I understand what they were going for, but if she has a heavy play value, I do see the threading coming loose at the bottom of the pants. And as we go down, we can see her anklet again and her shoes. She is wearing tennis shoes. They have a little heel on it. They're white, red, and black. Okay. So this being a beach themed doll, we do know that she has a bathing suit underneath that I'm going to show you guys. This is her stand, and of course they come with the clip at the bottom. When I removed her top, I took another look at her necklace, and it's quite interesting. Half of her necklace is pearls, and then the other half is a chain, but they connect into one. So that's pretty interesting. She seems like she follows her own lane, if you will. I love this about MGA. She has on a bathing suit, but she also has underwear on underneath, but that goes into her glow in the dark feature. I don't know if you guys will see this on camera, but this part of her top is a different color than the rest of her body. You can kind of see that glow in the dark feature. So going into her bathing suit, it is black and yellow, and it does feature this red detailing with the clip right there. We can see that she does have on underwear underneath, and it looks like her bottoms are not Velcro, but the top is. So this is what RAE is serving. Looking at her nails, they did put yellow on one hand and black on the other. So she's definitely a girl creating her own lane. As far as her articulation goes, she can move at the head, the shoulder. She has a bend at the elbow and the wristlet. So she looks adorable. Like, look at her, guys. This is RAE SANDS. Yes, she is so cute. My final thoughts on RAE SANDS is that she is a great add-on to anyone's collection. What do I think about her price point of $29.99? With everything that she comes with, I kind of see it, but then I don't, because she could have easily been, you know, $24.99, but I think that's what the original ones go for. So of course they're going to jump price a little bit. But yes, RAE SANDS is here, guys, and I can't wait to add her to the party. RAE SANDS, are you ready to meet the other girls? Yes. Are they ready to meet me? Hey, yes. So I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe, like, share, and leave some comments below. How do you feel about Miss RAE SANDS? Are you inviting her to your party, or are you more of an Ivy fan? Ooh, let me know. In a perfect world, I would collect both, but we're doing one at a time. So right now I have Miss RAE SANDS, and I can't wait for her to meet the other girls in my collection. It's gonna be awesome. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the end, because I will put in some cool photos. But remember this, I will see you guys on my next video. Come on, RAE, let's go. It's still summertime, so let's go to the beach. Yes! I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! Alright, so I did put the scrunchie in her hair, and I just want to let you guys know that the scrunchie doesn't give as much give as I would like. Like, it opens up a little bit, but it doesn't like completely stretch out like a real scrunchie would do in real life. So just so you guys know, like, you can get it like with 2 fingers and then kind of stretch it out a bit, but other than that, it is a little bit of a tight fit. But I managed to get her hair up in a pony. Will I be leaving it like this? Absolutely not. I'm gonna bring it back down, but just to let you guys know, it's definitely possible to use, and I'm gonna find some type of usage for it, because I love that we are getting cloth accessories. I always love that. Hey, RAE. Yes. Oh, I'm having so much fun at the beach today. Yes. RAE. Oh, yes. What's going on right now? Girl, we're going on tour, and we've been waiting for you. Oh, wait a minute. So you're saying, yes, you're officially one of the Spice Girls. Oh, and we have to hit the road. You ready? Yes, I can't wait for this. Let's go. La 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 la. Yes.
Keep it up, Gavin.
Sometimes the easiest thing is just to say, stay away. Stay away from me. Stay away. Stay away, away, away. Sometimes it's easier to say, stay away, away, away. Sometimes that's easier to say, just stay here with me, be here with me, vibe with me, stay with me, and you'll see. Sometimes it's easier to say, stay away. Stay away from me instead of be with me. Vibe with me, embrace me, and someday you shall see that the one you thought was cold is warm as a blanket, snuggled up at night with me, wrapped up tight with me. Who? Yes, it's who. thing to say. And stay here with me, be here with me. Baby, I miss you, come back home. Sometimes it's harder than say, stay away, away. Sometimes it's easier to say, stay away. Sometimes that's the easiest thing to say instead of stay with me, vibe with me, be with me. And someday you will see that person you were told is so icy cold is the warmest person in the world to be around. Stay with me, it's hard to say, sometimes the easiest thing to say, stay away.